my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I'll be moving on. But I think it should be something I don't want. That baby, you should know that when I'm done that you will see everyone. And I never lied to you, and if I was wrong, I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. Now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, then baby don't you go and love yourself. Hey, and if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go love yourself. Come on guys, sing it. Cause if you should go love yourself. One more time. Do you think that I'm still holding on to something? You should go and love yourself. Yeah. Alright. Hey. What do you mean? When you nod your head just what you wanna say no. What do you mean? Yeah, when you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? Yeah, what do you mean? Said you're running out of time. What do you mean? Oh, 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 what do you mean? Gotta make up your mind. What do you mean? You're so indecisive, what I'm saying. Trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. I don't know if you're happy, you're complaining. I don't want for this to end, where do I start? You wanna go to the left, then you wanna turn right. Wanna argue all day, making up all night. Cause you're up, then you're down, then you're between. Oh, really wanna know. But you won't say no. What do you mean? Yeah, yeah. When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? Hey, hey, you guess what's next? You gotta go and get me down at my honesty. You know I'm trying, but I don't do too well when I'm not. I hope I don't run out of luck with someone called a remedy. Cause I just need one more shot at second chances. I know you know that I'll make those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me on that be redeem myself tonight. I just need one more shot at forgiveness. Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Come on. I said I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Alright, ang gaganda ng mga boses ninyo. Thank you.